You know Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen. But do you recall the most famous reindeer of all? Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then how the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeers used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games.
You guys, you can do that better. Class, class, class.
Yes, yes, yes.
Thank you. So, you guys, for this part of the workshops, we are going to make ornaments. These are ones that I made yesterday. These are just examples. You do whatever you like, okay? I made some salty clay.
Ew.
I know, don't eat it. It's clay. I want everyone, one by one. You guys come to the front and you're going to get one of these. We're going to make them, and then when you're happy,
Snowman ba? Penguin ba? Kung yaksa. Penguin snowman. Penguin snowman.